Gentlemen, if you're over 50 and find yourself waking up at night to pee, struggling with low energy, or just searching online for natural prostate remedies, you're not alone. One of my patients recently said, "Doc, I'm exhausted from getting up 3 times a night." If that sounds familiar, this video could change everything for you. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful but simple method: external paranal prostate massage with castor oil. No internal insertion required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step safely and what improvements you can expect in just a few weeks. Before we dive into the how-to, I have a quick question for you. What's your biggest concern about your prostate health right now? Share it in the comments below, even if it's just a word or two. I love hearing from you. Let's get started. First, let's get a clear understanding of the prostate gland. The prostate is a small gland roughly the size of a walnut located just below the bladder and surrounding the urethra. Though small, its role is vital not just in producing seminal fluid, but also directly impacting urinary function and male reproductive health. As men pass the age of 50, the prostate often tends to enlarge. This condition, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, is incredibly common. It can lead to various annoying symptoms that truly impact quality of life, like frequent urination at night, difficulty urinating, feeling like your bladder never fully empties, and even a decrease in libido. So, how can this specific castor oil massage method help with your prostate health after 50? When performed correctly, it can 1. Improve local blood circulation, enhancing blood flow to the prostate area, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen, crucial for healing and function. 2. Aid in decongestion and detoxification, stimulating the removal of accumulated waste products that can contribute to enlargement or inflammation. 3. Help reduce inflammation and swelling. The gentle massage combined with castor oil's properties can soothe inflamed tissues and potentially alleviate pressure on the urethra, which can significantly improve urination. 4. Contribute to overall sexual health. A healthier, less congested prostate generally supports better overall sexual function and can help with reduced stamina. Now, a crucial point. While castor oil prostate massage is a wonderful complementary method, it is not a substitute for professional medical diagnosis and treatment. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're experiencing severe or persistent symptoms. This is about empowering you with additional natural tools for your well-being. Now let's talk about our star player, castor oil. You might be familiar with castor oil for its uses in beauty or as a laxative, but fewer people know that this natural oil can be an incredible ally for men's prostate health. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant and has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years due to its remarkable therapeutic properties. The key active compound responsible for these benefits is ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which are key to helping soothe swollen tissues in the prostate, a common issue in BPH. It also helps to enhance blood circulation, supporting detoxification and nutrient delivery to the gland. This makes it a fantastic natural component for your prostate care routine. When choosing castor oil for this massage, please ensure you select Hawaii's cold-pressed eyes hexane-free and ideally SHA organic varieties stored in a swathed dark glass bottle. This guarantees the oil retains its maximum nutrient content and is free from harmful chemical residues, ensuring the best and safest outcome for your health. Don't compromise on quality when it comes to your body. All right, gentlemen, before we dive into the detailed massage instructions, let's talk about safety. Your well-being is paramount. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop immediately and seek urgent medical attention. This massage is a supportive therapy, not a replacement for professional medical care when serious issues arise. Also, a quick but vital step before your first application: patch test a drop of castor oil on your forearm for 24 hours to check for any skin sensitivity or allergic reactions. Your body's response is unique, so always listen to it. Now for the most crucial part, the detailed instructions for your external paranal castor oil prostate massage. I understand many might feel a bit hesitant, but please rest assured, I will guide you through each step in a scientific, safe, and easy-to-follow manner. Your comfort and safety are my top priorities. Before we begin, let's gather a few things. A bottle of the high-quality castor oil we just discussed, a clean, soft towel, and some paper towels. You might want to use medical gloves for maximum hygiene, though it's optional. Choose a private, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. Dim lighting can enhance relaxation. Ensure any massage tools, like a softball, if you choose to use one, are thoroughly disinfected before and after each use. Regarding position, the best posture is to lie comfortably on your side with your knees gently bent towards your chest and relax your body completely. Take a few deep breaths to settle in. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Thorough cleansing. This is extremely important to prevent infection. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. If you're using gloves, put them on now. Cleanse the paranal area gently with warm water and a mild soap. Step 2. Apply a sufficient amount of oil. Pour a quarter-sized amount of castor oil into your palm. Gently warm it by rubbing your hands together. Warm. Oil feels more comfortable and absorbs better into the skin, enhancing the benefits of your castor oil massage. Step 3. Perform the massage. Be very gentle and deliberate. Using your oiled index or middle finger, gently locate the perineal area. That's the space between the anus and the scrotum. You might feel a slightly firm, raised area just a few centimeters or about 1 to 2 inches in front of the anus. That is the approximate location of the prostate. Begin the massage with gentle circular motions around this area. A good rhythm is approximately 30 to 60 gentle circles per minute. Crucial. The pressure should always be light and should not cause any pain or discomfort. Imagine the pressure you'd use to gently press on your eyelid. That's the level of softness you're aiming for. If you feel pain, reduce pressure or stop. This is a relaxing and therapeutic massage, not a deep or forceful one. Listen to your body. Continue this gentle massage for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the duration based on your body's comfort and how relaxed you feel. Frequency for optimal results in supporting your prostate health after 50. I recommend performing this massage 2 to 3 times per week, perhaps before bed. Step 4. Post-massage cleansing. After you've finished, thoroughly wash the massaged area and your hands with warm water and soap. Use warm cloths or paper towels to remove any excess oil, ensuring no residue remains. Taking care of your health is a lifelong journey requiring patience and a holistic approach. While individual results can vary, many men begin to notice subtle improvements in symptoms like frequent urination at night or overall comfort within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent practice. Let me share a quick, anonymized story. Mr. John, a 58-year-old gentleman, came to me seeking natural alternatives. He incorporated this external castor oil prostate massage into his routine 3 times a week. By week 5, he excitedly reported his night awakenings for urination had reduced from 3 to just 1 per night, significantly improving his sleep quality and overall energy. This shows the power of consistent, gentle self-care. Consistency is truly key here. Be patient. Observe the small changes and track your progress. Castor oil prostate massage will be most effective when integrated into a healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet rich in greens, fruits, and limiting processed foods, regular exercise, even simple movements suitable for your age. Effective stress management techniques, meditation, or other relaxing activities, and ensuring you get enough quality sleep each night. Dr. Freya Parkar is always here to provide you with the most scientific, reliable information, empowering you to take charge of your health. By proactively seeking and applying natural, science-backed methods like this, you are truly investing in yourself, affirming the resilience of a proactive gentleman who chooses to live life to the fullest. I sincerely hope this video has provided you with valuable information and clear instructions to confidently try the external perineal castor oil prostate massage method at home. Now, I challenge you, try this massage method 2 to 3 times a week for the next 4 weeks. Observe any changes in your urination patterns, comfort, or overall vitality. Then come back to this video and share your results or any questions you have in the comment section below. Your experience could help countless other men on their journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Vitality Health 101 channel to avoid missing out on other valuable health insights for men. Please share this video with friends or family who might benefit, because you never know, this could be the natural remedy they're searching for. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing your progress and seeing you in my next.